Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send large videos on Gmail. First of all, open up the Drive app. After opening Drive, click to open an ebook folder and then select to upload the video. Select a video you want to upload on Drive. Wait until the video completes uploading. Once it's done, click on three dots from the video and tap on Manage Access. Then from Manage Access, click on Restricted and choose Anyone with the Link option. Now tap to copy the link from the top right corner. After copying the link of your video and Drive, open up the Gmail app. Tap to send a new mail. Put in the email address of the recipient you want to send the mail to. Then paste the video link in here and click to send the email. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.